Tutorial of BDC. How to add leads in different ways. Click on Leads. Now go to Inventory. Click on your desired car. Click Interested in. Now please enter your details one by one. After all done, please click Submit. Click on your profile picture and click Dashboard. Please click Leads. Click on the View icon. Add by credit application. Go to Inventory, then to your car, and click Apply Online. Here you will have to fill out your application. Please proofread your application to check if you are not missing any details. After that, please click Submit. Now credit application is added successfully. When in Leads tab, click View icon. Here you can view it. Add lead in BDC. Click Add Leads. Fill in your vehicle VIN number. Select Customer and click Add. Now lead is added successfully. Click View icon. How to book appointments in BDC Leads tab. And now click on Book Appointment. Now add vehicle VIN number. Set appointment time. Select Salesperson and click Add. Now go to Appointment Management. Tabular View. Click View icon. Book appointment in Appointment Management tab. Click Book Appointment. Add vehicle VIN. Select Customer. Set appointment date. Appointment time. Select Salesperson. Click Add. Go to Tabular View. Click View icon. Here you can view it. Thanks for watching.